With each winter storm that moves through southeast Minnesota and North Iowa, the main question to answer is what precipitation will fall. KIMT Storm Alert Weather 3 meteorologist Hunter Donahoe looks to the sky to discuss precipitation types and what is needed in the atmosphere for each to form.
Snow, sleet, and freezing rain. The main three precipitation types that we do see here in southeast Minnesota and North Iowa over the course of our long winters. But have you ever wondered how each one of these precipitation types form? First, as meteorologists, we always look at that temperature at the surface. Is it above, is it below 32 degrees? But in fact, there's a lot more to the equation than that. We look at temperatures from the surface way up, thousands of feet above our heads in the cloud layer to see what kind of precipitation falls during these winter months. I drew the 32-degree line here. This is what we call skew T, log P diagram. Lower temperature to the left, higher temperatures to the right, up and down. On the y-axis is altitude. 32 degrees is that green diagonal line. For snow, we want temperatures all the way up through the column of our atmosphere to be below 32 degrees on the left side of the green line. But when we start to see a slight warm nose, a slight undulation, and that red line to the right of the 32-degree line, that's when we can start to talk about sleet. A little bit of some warm air melting that snow, and then it refreezes before it hits the ground. A bigger, larger warm nose, a thicker layer of warm air closer to the surface, that could bring in the introduction of freezing rain. All that snow falls into that layer, melts, and it doesn't have the ability to refreeze until it hits the ground and freezes on contact. So there is a lot of things that go into a winter weather forecast. This is just one of them. Hopefully you were able to learn a little bit of a skew T log P diagram. For KIMT Storm Alert Weather 3, I'm meteorologist Hunter Donahoe.
All right, Hunter, thank you so much. And you at home can keep track of what type of precipitation is on the way by using our free KIMT Storm Alert Weather app.